Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mike. Today we will talk about vitamins needed for men over 60. Men's health is a crucial topic, especially for those over 60, as they often encounter various challenges that can significantly impact their quality of life. Common issues faced by men in this age group include low energy levels and poor sleep, which can lead to a decline in overall well-being. Unfortunately, many individuals mistakenly believe that these problems are simply an inevitable part of aging. This misconception can prevent them from seeking effective solutions and addressing their health proactively. However, it is essential to understand that these issues are not just natural consequences of getting older. They can often be linked to nutritional deficiencies and lifestyle factors. One such nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining energy levels and promoting restful sleep is magnesium. This essential mineral is involved in numerous bodily functions, including muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and the regulation of sleep patterns. By highlighting the importance of magnesium, we can begin to shift the narrative around aging and empowerment over 60 to reclaim their vitality. Understanding the benefits of magnesium supplementation and incorporating magnesium-rich foods into their diets can help men combat fatigue and improve their sleep quality, ultimately enhancing their overall health and well-being as they age. As men reach the age of 60 and beyond, they often encounter significant struggles related to sleep and energy levels. Many report experiencing restless nights characterized by difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep, which can lead to feelings of fatigue during the day. This persistent lack of restorative sleep can contribute to fading confidence, as men may find it challenging to engage in activities they once enjoyed or to maintain their usual productivity. These issues are not merely a natural part of aging. Rather, they are frequently linked to nutrient deficiencies that can be addressed. One critical nutrient that many men over 60 are lacking is magnesium. This essential mineral plays a vital role in numerous bodily functions, including the regulation of sleep patterns and energy production. Insufficient magnesium levels can exacerbate sleep disturbances and contribute to feelings of lethargy, making it even more difficult for men to navigate their daily lives. By recognizing the connection between nutrient deficiencies and common struggles with sleep and energy, men can take proactive steps to improve their health. Incorporating magnesium-rich foods into their diets or considering supplementation can help restore balance, enhance sleep quality, and boost energy levels, ultimately leading to a more vibrant and fulfilling life in their later years. Magnesium plays a crucial role in supporting health and vitality, particularly for men over 60. One of its primary benefits is promoting deep, restorative sleep, which is essential for overall well-being. Magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters that calm the nervous system, facilitating the transition into sleep and enhancing sleep quality. This mineral also contributes to energy levels by aiding in the conversion of food into energy, ensuring that men feel more alert and active throughout the day. Additionally, magnesium has a significant impact on testosterone production, a vital hormone for male vitality. Adequate magnesium levels are linked to optimal testosterone levels, which can influence mood, muscle mass, and sexual health. Furthermore, magnesium supports various biochemical reactions during sleep, including the synthesis of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep-wake cycles. It also helps reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone that can disrupt sleep and overall health. By ensuring that magnesium levels are sufficient, men can experience improved sleep quality, increased energy, and enhanced testosterone production, all of which contribute to a more vibrant and fulfilling life. In summary, magnesium is an essential nutrient that supports multiple aspects of health and vitality, making it particularly important for men over 60 who seek to maintain their well-being as they age. When selecting the best forms of magnesium to meet individual health needs, it's essential to understand the differences between various types, particularly magnesium glycinate and magnesium L308. Magnesium glycinate is a chelated form of magnesium that is highly bioavailable, meaning it is easily absorbed by the body. This form is particularly beneficial for promoting deep sleep and enhancing cognitive function, as it has calming properties that can help reduce anxiety and improve overall mental clarity. On the other hand, magnesium L-308, also known as magnesium threonate, is specifically designed to penetrate the blood-brain barrier effectively. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to support cognitive function, memory, and overall brain health. Both forms offer unique advantages, but the choice ultimately depends on individual health goals. It's also crucial to stress the importance of selecting high-quality supplements. Not all magnesium products are created equal. Therefore, it's advisable to choose reputable brands that provide third-party testing and transparent ingredient sourcing. This ensures that you are getting a pure product free from contaminants and fillers. By understanding the benefits of magnesium glycinate and magnesium L-308 and prioritizing quality, individuals can make informed decisions that support their sleep, cognitive function, and overall well-being. We encourage you to take action today by considering magnesium supplementation if you identify with any of the symptoms discussed. Remember to choose high-quality forms of magnesium and maintain consistency in your routine for the best results. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends or family who may also benefit from learning about magnesium and its impact on health. Your support helps us reach more people and spread awareness about important health topics. Additionally, we invite you to explore more of our content focused on health and vitality. Together, we can empower each other to lead healthier, more fulfilling lives as we age. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward better health.